Invitation. I will look forward to seeing you again. Let me take you into the HIMARK Intelligent Environmental production line. HIMARK invested a large number of advanced devices, such as CNC automatic machine, polishing robot, spectrograph of material, thickness of plating test instrument, air pressure and water pressure testing equipment, etc. To ensure product quality, HIMARK Gravity Input Automatic Robot to improve product precision. HIMARK Unique, Creativity, Intelligent, Sanitary Ware Manufacturing Expert.
Telephone 86 137 6052 3687. Marketing@hmkglobal.com.